Here in the set theory, we have discussed the definition of set. Then we have discussed the empty set, what is an empty set, singleton set, power set, universal set. Okay, so all these concepts we have done in our previous classes. So based on those concepts, today we will discuss some MCQs. Okay, so here
Yes.
is the first MCQ. It is given that A dash is an ordered collection of objects. So the options are a relation, function, set and proposition. So which is the correct option?
A statement.
Yes, so option C is the correct option. A set is an ordered collection of objects. Now here you can see the answer. So option C by definition. So here the answer is given. Also the explanation is also given. So this is your first MCQ. Next question number 2. The set O of odd positive integers less than 10 can be expressed by. So these are the options. So which is the correct option? The set of odd positive integers less than 10.
B, ma'am.
Option B, that means
B.
1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So let's check it. Yes, option B is the correct option and the explanation is odd numbers less than 10 is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay. Now question number 3. The power set of an empty set has exactly this subset. That means here it is asked that how many subsets we will get for an empty set. How many subsets we will get for an empty set?
1, ma'am.
1. And what is that subset?
It is also an empty set, ma'am.
Yes, the empty set itself is the subset of the empty set. So let's check the answer. It is option A and the explanation is the power set of a null set has exactly one subset which is the empty set. Okay. So I think all of you have understand these three MCQs. All of you are clear? Clear? See, if you have any doubt in any question, you can just ask me, okay? Don't just be silent. So, if you have any doubt, you please ask me, okay? And one more thing, these MCQs are important for your exam. So, what I have done here, see, you can see this process also. Here in Google, I have typed the MCQs on set theory. So you will get so many MCQs on set theory. And at present, I am doing this the set discrete mathematics and questions and answer. Okay. In this way, you can also practice MCQs. Okay. You just type the MCQs on set theory. So you will get a number of MCQs. So you will go through this MCQs. Okay. Now the next question. What is the Cartesian product of A? Have we done the Cartesian product?
No, ma'am.
No. So yes. Now question number 6. What is the cardinality of the set of odd positive integers less than 10? What do you mean by this word cardinality? It is the number of elements in the set. Okay. Actually, here it is
Yes.
asked that what is the number of elements of the set of odd positive integers less than 10. So what is the set less than 10 odd positive integers? Elements are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now how many elements
5.
are there? 5. That means the cardinality is 5. That is the option B.
5.
So option B, the explanation is the set S of odd positive integers less than 10 is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So they have 5 elements. So the cardinality of the set is 5. Okay.
Yes.
Now question number 7. Which of the following two sets are equal? Now you have four options. Now tell me which two sets are equal. Okay, before that, tell me when two sets are equal.
Tajun, लोग आया हो कुछ ये लोग आए वाला मैं कॉल किया था देखो हम पढ़ रहे पढ़ रहे हाँ 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 रखो नहीं चल रहा
Hello? When two sets are equal? When we can say two sets are equal?
When their elements are exactly the same, ma'am.
Exactly the same. Now from these four options, question number 7, there are four options A, B, C, D. Which two sets are equal? Option
Option C, ma'am.
Option C.
C.
Because see, in option C, the sets are A, the elements are 1, 2, 3, and set B, the elements are 2, 1, 3. Now, in set A and set B, there are three elements in each set. Okay. Now, first option is gone. Next, we have to check for the elements. Now, see, if I consider element 1 is there in set A as well as in set B. Similarly, element 2 is there in set A and set B. Again, set 3 is common in both set A and set B. So, our correct option is option C. So, the explanation is there. Two sets are equal if and only if they have the same elements. Okay. So now in set A and set B, they have the same elements. So they are equal sets. Now, question number 8. The set of a positive integers is. So you have to fill up the blank. So the options are infinite, finite, subset and empty. Which is the correct option? The set of positive
Infinite,
integers.
ma'am.
Yes, the set of positive
Option A.
option A. The set of positive integers is infinite because we'll get infinitely many positive integers. Okay. So here is the correct option A and the explanation is the set of positive integers is not finite. Next question number 9. What is the cardinality of the power set of the set 0, 1, 2? Now, first of all, you have to write the power set of 0, 1 and 2. So, how many subsets you will get for this particular set containing 3 elements? There is a small formula to
6,
write it.
ma'am.
6. There is a small
Yes, ma'am.
formula. Remember the formula?
Two. Yes, ma'am. 2 to the power n.
2 to the power n. So, here the value of n is
3.
3. So, 2 to the power 3. What is the value of 2 to the power 3? You have to multiply 2 3 times. So the
9,
correct
9.
and if you multiply 2 3 times you will get 9.
Yes, ma'am.
AC. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. Are you getting my point? 2 cube is 8. So here the correct option is option A and the explanation is the power set of 1 2 0 1 2 is the subset of subsets of 0 1 2. Hence you can write the subsets or you just use the formula 2 to the power n. So the correct option is option A. Now question number 10. The members of the set S where x is the square of an integer and x is less than 100 is. So what are the elements of the set S? What are the elements of the set S? X is the square of an integer and x is less than 100. So the square of integers, we will start from 1, then 2 square is 4, 1 4, 3 square is 9, 1 4 9, 4 square is 16, so 1 4 9 16, then 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, see 8 square is 86, 64, and last one is 9 square. 9 square is 81. Now here it is given x is less than 100, that means we cannot include 10 square because 10 square is 100. So our correct option is option, which is the correct option? Option B. Okay. So here correct option is option B. The set S consists of the square of an integer less than 10. Okay. So this is the correct option. Now let's do one more set. Now this is the another set. That question number 1 is x is an integer neither positive nor negative. So if x is an integer which is neither positive nor negative, so what is that integer?
0, ma'am.
0. So if a set contains 0, which is the correct option from A, B, C and D?
A, ma'am.
A? No, see, empty set. You have one element 0. So which is the correct option?
Finite set, ma'am.
Yes, the correct option is finite set. So here non-empty and finite set. So here the explanation is given option D. Explanation, the set is 0 because the only integer which is neither positive nor negative is 0. So 0 is non-empty because we have one element, so it is non-empty, and as it is only one, so it is a finite set. So your correct option is option D, not empty and finite set. Are you clear?
Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
Second set is x is a real number between 1 and 2. Is an, see, how many real numbers are there between 1 and 2? How many real numbers?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, between 1 and 2. See, what do you mean by real numbers? Real numbers are fractions, then integers, then negative numbers, positive numbers, all are real numbers. Okay. Between
0
1
1
and
2.
yeah, between 1 and 2, I can write 1.1, 1.01, 1.001, 1.0001, 1.0001, then 1.2, 1.02. That means in between 1 and 2, you will get infinitely many real numbers. So the set is
Set.
Infinite.
infinite set.
Infinite
So
set.
let's see our option. Yes, the correct option is option A. It is an infinite set as there are infinitely many real numbers between any two different real numbers. If you take two real numbers, you will get infinitely many real numbers between those particular real numbers. Okay, so it is an infinite set.
Yes, ma'am.
See, are you clear? Am I going very fast?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you clear?
Yeah.
So here next is write in set builder form. So see here the set is given in roster form. Now you have to write this same set in the set builder form. Now to write a set builder form, what you need? So in set builder form, you know that to write, we have to write the common properties between the elements. Now, if I consider the element 1, 5, 15 and 25, what is the common property between of this elements? What is the common property?
They are all odd numbers.
They are
All odd numbers.
all odd numbers. Okay, let's see. See. Here it is given option C as the correct option. Now, what is option C? Either x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 5n, where n is an odd natural number. Okay, see here, x is equals to 1. Okay, we are getting the element 1. Or x is equals to 5n, where n is an odd natural number. So if I place this n as 1, so I am getting 5 into 1, so 5. Next, if I get the value of n as a 3, I will get 5 into 350, because n is an odd natural number. Next, if I get 5 into 5, so I will get 25. Okay, so the correct option is option C. So here the explanation is given. Set should include 1 or an odd multiple of 5. So except this one, all are odd multiples of 5. So what will be the next option? 25. Then we will get 5 into 7, 35. Then we will get 5 into 9, 45. Okay. Now, next one is express x, where x is n by n plus 1. N is a natural number less than 7 in roster form. Now, the set is given in set builder form. You have to write the element where x is equals to n divided by n plus 1, where n is a natural number less than 7. So, what is our first number? Natural number, we will start from 1. So, 1 by 1 plus 1. So, 1 by 2. Next, if I take 2, then 2 by 2 plus 1, 2 by 3. Then if I take n is equals to 4, I'll get 4 by 5. Then 5 by 6, 6 by 7. So which is the correct option? Option C is the correct option, because n by n plus 1 is equals to 1 by 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 by 2, and n is greater than 7. N is less than 7. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the number of power set of A, B. See, if a set has only two elements, then the power set of that particular set contains how many elements? How many elements we will get? The set has two elements. So the power set has 2 squared. That means 4 elements. So here the explanation is given. Option B, that is 4. The power set of AB is 5, AB, A and B. Or you can use the formula, direct formula, 2 square is equals to 4. Okay. Now, question number 6. Which of the following is a subset of a set 1, 2, 3, 4? Now, you have a 4 options. Now, tell me which are the subsets of this particular set 1, 2, 3, 4.
Option D, ma'am.
Option D. Yes, correct. All of the mentioned. Because if I consider, if I choose 1 and 2, this is a subset. If I choose 3 elements, 1, 2, 3, yes, option B is a subset. If I choose only one element, 1, then option C is the correct option. That means all the options A, B and C are the subsets of the particular set. Okay. So, all of the mentioned. So here the correct option is D. There are total 16 subsets. Now, question number 7. A is equals to 5. Again, 5, 2, 2, 5 and 3. Which of the following is true? Now tell me, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option?
M.
Yes? Yes? Again, tell me.
B.
Option D.
Option B.
Option
B.
B. Here see. 2 belongs to set 2 belongs to capital A. No. Only this particular element belongs to capital A, not the set 2. Okay? There is a curly bracket, so this becomes a set. So this option is wrong. Now phi is a subset of A. Phi is a subset of A. Yes, because empty set is a subset of every set. So that's why phi is a subset of A. But why this option D is not correct? Because 3 is only an element. Now this symbol represents a set. So an element cannot be a subset of A. For subset you need a subset. So here 3 is only an element because the curly bracket is not here. So this is the wrong option. So our correct option is option C. Okay. Now subset of a set A is equals to phi is, see, A is equals to only the curly bracket. That means it is an empty set. So the subset of an empty set is, which is the correct option?
C, ma'am.
C. See the correct option. It is option D because see, the set A itself is an empty set. So yes, A is the subset of itself. Again, this represents the empty set. So yes, this is also a subset. That means this A, B and C, these three options will ultimately represent the null set. That means these are the correct options. So here the correct option is all the mentioned above because these are only different notations for the empty set. So that's why all of them are the subsets of a capital A. So here option D is the correct option and the explanation is every set is a subset of itself and empty set is a subset of each set. Okay. Now question number 9. X belongs to capital N and X is a prime, then it is a finite set, infinite set, empty set, not a set. Which is the correct option? X is a natural number and X is a prime. So how many elements you will get for that particular set?
Empty set.
Right. You will get empty set, you will not get any element in this particular set because X is a natural number and X is a prime. So how many prime numbers you will have? You will have infinitely many prime numbers. So our correct option is option A. See here option A because there is no extreme prime. Prime number of primes is infinite. So you will start from 2, 5, 7, 11, 30. In this way you will get many infinitely many prime numbers. So the set of prime numbers is an infinite set. Okay, are you clear? Now the last one, question number 10. Convert the set where x is a positive prime positive number which divides 72 in roster form. That means you have to choose those prime numbers which divides 72. Will you get any prime number which divides 72? Will you get any prime number which divides 72? See, here the correct option is option C. That means 2 and 3. Now, if you divide 72 by 2, you will get 36. Yes, that means 72 is divisible by 2. Now, if you divide 72 by 3, you will get 26. So 26, no, 24. That means again 72 is divisible by 3. Means you will have only two numbers 2 and 3. So this is your correct option. So here 2 and 3 are the divisors of 72, which are prime numbers. Okay. So are you clear about these 10 questions? Are you clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this way, you can find other
Ma'am.
MCQs also on set theory. Okay. So in the next class also, that means Friday also, we will discuss some MCQs on set theory. Okay. So I will stop here for today. So Friday again we will discuss some more MCQs on set theory. Okay.